Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. Yeah, I just got home. Okay. Ow. Yeah. Yeah, me too. I am feeling much better. I know, it was crazy. Well, let me feed the pets and stuff. I'll call you later. Yeah. Okay. Bye. What is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, you're starving. I need to feed you right away. Okay, I don't know what happened. Penny did rise. There are lots of bubbles. You can see all of the bubble activity in here. He smells. I don't have time for my usual setup. I have got to get this taken care of ASAP. Oh man, the smell. It's intense. The only thing I can figure is the pain is gone. My pain is gone. The brace, the walker, their history. I feel lighter than I have in years, almost hollow. But he smells like a pure chemical fire, y'all. Pure acetone. That means he's starving. But I know where his energy went. He didn't rise very much in the glass because he poured everything into me. Because look at me. I can tap dance if I wanted to. This is crazy. This is crazy. No time for my usual setup. This is a 5-alarm fire here. So I've got to have him, as usual. Have the body. Here we go. Okay, I've cleaned the vessel a little bit here. Now, I'm going to zero it out and go with the unholy trinity. 50 grams of 95-degree water and 50 grams of the blend. 50 grams of the original body back into the vessel. I know I'm feeding him in the light of day, but I have to. It's an emergency. I feel like I'm just paying back a debt or something. He gave me my movement back, and now I'm giving him his life back. Okay. I don't even have time to sort out my... All right. 25 and 25. Here we go. Okay. That was the bread flour. Now for the whole wheat flour. 25. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. I'm nervous. I'm making a mess. Now we stir vigorously. Cleaning the walls. He was starving. Did you see all those bubbles? Whew. If smell-o-vision existed. I'm just glad I'm feeling better, I feel great, but truly, if he doesn't rise by tonight, I wonder what he'll try to take back from me. We seal it lightly. Snap the band back into place. Let's see if he doubles. Let's put him back in the incubation chamber. I am the horrible baker, Genesee. Watch the line. I'll be back tomorrow. Maybe he will have doubled. Until then, Leia, bye.